So guys, I'm already on trading view and let's start analyzing. Today's strategy works great on the 15-minute time frame and provides very good and reliable signals. And let's start with the analysis of indicators. You will need this pair of indicators. You can see them right in front of you. And let's start. The first one, we select it. We need to configure it. Go to the settings tab and set the parameters as you see them on my screen. And there is no need to event or change anything. So the settings are complete and let's move on to the second indicator. And again select it, and to make it work perfectly, we also need to configure it by settings a period of 50. Let me quickly explain. I'll show you an example on the Bitcoin to USD chart. First, you should pay attention to your moving average line. If you want to open a long position, you need to wait until the moving average line change color from red to green. Before opening your position, make sure that the color on your auxiliary indicator has also changed from red to green. Only in these cases should you open a long position. The same applies to a short position. If you see color change from green to red and your moving average line has changed color and you are also sure that the color has changed on the auxiliary indicator from green to red, only then can you open a short position. These are the two simple rules you must follow, and with the correct market analysis, many of your trades will close in profit. It's a straightforward and simple strategy. I have given you an example of opening a long and short position on the Bitcoin to USD chart. I'll be trading a real time on Forex using the 15-minute time frame. And let's start, guys. GBP AUD currency pair. I have a signal to open a short position, and let's proceed, guys. Always set your stop loss at the previous structural minimum. This strategy works well and gives good signal for open position with a 1:2 or 1:1 ratio. In some cases, a 1:3 ratio signal also works successfully. In this case, I am opening a 1:2 trade, and I always prefer to trade using 10% of my capital. I've already set up the position, so let's see. And after quite a bit of time, the signal worked out successfully and I earned $200. Great result, and let's continue. The Euro USD currency pair has a signal to open a long position, and let's proceed, guys. Set the stop loss at the structural minimum. I'll also open a position here with a 1:2 ratio, and let's see, guys. This trade also worked successfully. I earned $200. Great result, and as you can see, the entry conditions were met and therefore the position closed in profit without any problems. Let's continue trading. So guys, the average GPY currency pair, there is a signal to open a short position with a downward trend, and let's proceed, guys. As I mentioned earlier, I set the stop loss at the previous structural level. This point area suits me perfectly, and here I will also open a position with a 1:2 ratio. The trend is downward, and I believe this entry point should work out smoothly, and let's see the result. This position also worked out successfully and added $200 to my bank account. Great result. This was a fairly confident signal and I didn't waste a moment and took the opportunity. Let's continue our trading session. So this currency pair has a signal to open a long position. It's a fairly strong signal, and here I will open a position with a 1:3 ratio. Let's see if this entry point works. All conditions for opening a long position have been met, and let's watch the results. This position also confidently worked out in profit. The signal was absolutely reliable and correct. I earned $300 from this trade. In total, I earned $900 to my bank account with these 4 perfect trades, and I am completely satisfied with the result. It's a simple trading strategy involving only 2 well-configured indicators. With proper market analysis and indicator settings, most of your position will close in profit. If you have any questions, you can always find a link to my Telegram in the video description and ask any questions you have. I'll be happy to help everyone. Have a great day. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.